Hi YouTube family, welcome into today's video. I am really excited to be bringing you monthly favorites for February 2018. I feel like I am just in a whirlwind and things are spinning because, as some of you know, my daughter is getting married June 1st, and so we are all of us in just hyper mode right now trying to get everything done. And today I was kind of experimenting a little bit with some of my makeup and my hairdo to kind of see, what I want to do. I think I really want to do like these tendril things, the little ringlets going down around, but I know that I want to kind of do a messy bun, not just like a ponytail like I have right now. But as far as my makeup goes, I need it to be a little bit softer, and her colors are a peach and a really light blue, and it's really pretty, but the guys are all wearing like gray suits, so I thought maybe I could get away with a gray eye. And anyway, I'm still bouncing it around and to see what I can possibly come up with for makeup for the wedding. So yeah, that's one of those things that I'm looking forward to. So monthly favorites are one of those videos that I absolutely love because I get to show you guys some of the things that I'm really liking. And this month I have just absolutely fallen in love with my two palettes from BH Cosmetics. This one is the Smoky Eyes palette right here, and then the other one is the matte palette. Now I did a look for you guys, the pink smoky eye, soft pink smoky eye, I think I said it was, and that one came out of the matte palette, which is right up here. And then this one, I'm trying not to blind you with the light too bad, and then this one down here is the smoky one. But look how nice these colors are. They're so diverse, and there's so many beautiful colors, and you're not looking at the same old oranges and browns and reds that we are all seeing right now. There's really a nice variety in here, and I just really love that. And last time I looked at, and these prices change so often, but last time I looked, BH had these both on sale for $8.99, so you can't beat that. When you're talking about bigger palettes being $40, $50, this is really a good deal. I also got from Shop Hush site, I got the Aphrodite. This is from Bad Habit, the Athena and the Aphrodite palette. These are supposed to be dupes for the Huda Beauty two palettes that she has out. Is it Desert Dusk, or is that Natasha Denona? I don't remember. Anyway, these are supposed to be dupes for that, and I have so enjoyed working with these, you guys. They are so nice and they're so pretty, and the only thing I don't enjoy working with is this glitter because it's chunky. There is a couple in, I think there's one in each one that is a glitter, and then you have the ones that the rest are that are just metallic. But these are really worth it, you guys, too, because I think I got both of these. I think there's $14 or $16 on the site, and I think I got both of these for $24. So these are really good too, and Bad Habit has gotten some really great dupes going on. And if you guys would like to see these swatched, I'd be happy to do that for you too. So just let me know. A couple of the things that I have fallen in love with, and I put this in my last month's favorite, is the Master Camo pens, the color correcting pens from Maybelline. And this one is in apricot and this one is in yellow. And I had the apricot one that I talked to you guys about last month, but this one in yellow, I've been loving it too. These are so good because they're not so emollient that they're going to bleed into your concealer or your foundation. And the part that I like about them being a little bit drier too is that they give a really great amount of coverage with just a very, very tiny bit of product. So I really have been enjoying these, but again, when you get them, use an extremely light hand. Do not go very heavy-handed on these at all. But yeah, I have been loving those. And I also got this is my new favorite. I use this every time. I have it on today. I have a tutorial that will be coming up for you guys pretty soon if it's not already up. From the Makeup Revolution, this is the Conceal and Define new concealer for them. I love this, you guys. It is so much more emollient than the Tarte Shape Tape, which is really good for under eyes that are aging, as you guys all know. The applicator is just like the Tarte Shape Tape. It's bigger. I use it every single morning. I have not used anything else yet. Absolutely loving this stuff. Can't say enough good about it. Just think they knocked it out of the park, and they did a great job on that. And then I also want to tell you guys, and yes, this is dirty, and no, I haven't washed it, but I wash my sponges faithfully. This is a sponge from Flower Beauty, and this thing is so soft and so great for applying your foundation, your concealers, cream products, whatever. But you guys, this is I swear it is the same consistency as a beauty blender. So soft. You know how soft a beauty blender is, but $20 for a beauty blender, and this thing is $8. So I am just going to recommend this 100% to everybody because I love the Real Techniques one with the squared off, but this is so much softer than that one, and I really, really do love that about it. So yes, this is one of my favorite things for the month. So I finally, after all this time, tried the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and I really like this stuff. This one is in Plum, and I like the soft dusty pink color of it for my skin tone. It's really good. It is what I have on today, and since I'm so pale right now, it's really been great for me. I don't know if you can even, if it even picks up or if you can even see it, but it's nice and buildable. You can do that with it too. I really liked that it wasn't super chalky. It was really great to work with, and like I said, I've been wearing it, you know, over and over again. I'm wearing it today. It's just pretty. It's just a really pretty blush, and I think I'm going to try some more of the colors of this one. This one just grabbed me, of course, because it was more of a rosy mauve tone. Obviously, those are what I'm into. I wanted to mention my Kiko Milano waterproof mascara. I got this from Octoly to try, and I got it because I wanted to try a waterproof makeup or waterproof mascara for Kayla's wedding. And I am, you know, because I know I'm going to be a blubbering mommy. I just know I'm going to be crying. So I wanted to get this and try. Unfortunately, it didn't last. And so if you're looking for a really good waterproof one, this is probably not the waterproof one for you if you're going to involve tears or water or anything like that. As far as like staying throughout the day, I would say I got a good maybe 8 hours out of it, which is pretty good before it started to flake a little bit. I also wanted to mention this to you guys. This is the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Finishing Powder. And this isn't necessarily, I think of this more almost like a foundation. You can wear it as a foundation. You can wear it as a finishing powder, whatever you want to do. But it does have encapsulated water. And if you take a look at the delivery system right there, you can see that this is kind of a grated or a grater type thing. What you do is you turn that, hopefully I'm going to turn it the right way here. You turn that and a little bit of product comes off. I hope that you guys that picked it up on camera. And then I just pick up a little bit on my brush, and then I will go across any parts of my face that I feel like might need a little bit of just, you know, looking a little bit softer or cover a little bit more coverage. Right now I'm going through a big, huge peel with my Retin-A. It's really, I've stepped up to using it one more time a week, and I feel like my skin has a ton of texture. So if I feel like I need a little bit extra coverage, I'll just go in with this and just use it across my face. And I use it with a foundation brush or a really, you know, round brush. And I just really like it. It just diffuses it throughout the day. It releases that encapsulated water, and I just think it's one of the best things they've ever done. I know that they had, for a while there, that they had a blush that was like this, Smashbox did, but I picked this up and I thought I had forgotten how good it was because I wore this for such a long time, so many years ago, and I'm so glad that I picked it up again. And I'm going to also look for their other products that are like this because they are the powder, but they're the encapsulated water that helps with aging skin and dry skin. And my skin is very, very dry this winter. It's been horrible. So one more thing that I did want to talk about for my dry skin gals is I have been using the Algenist hydrating setting spray for a while, but this one is from Flower Beauty and it's supposed to be the hydrating setting spray, and I've been using it, you know, to set my under eyes right here, but this is a really good substitute for this. I really, really like it a lot. So if you get the chance to and you have very dry skin, give this a try. Great mist on it. One of my pet peeves is that, you know, the mist is never good. This has a super, super fine mist on it. And I love that about it. And when you suck it in and when you're talking and you get it in your mouth, it doesn't taste like really gross or anything. Oh, one more thing. I got this sent to me as PR, you guys, and I had to tell you about it because I know that some of you guys are really following me on my keto diet. And this is called Grub Pow, I guess. So it's like granola. It's a punch to the palate minus the sugar and the violence. This is Snickerdoodle cookie granola, And it has, I was going to make sure I told you guys this. This has 8 grams of carb, but 3 of it are dietary fiber, and then 3 of it is sugar alcohols. It does have some protein in it, 3 grams of protein. But what the biggest thing that you'll find in these is that it tastes so good. And it's mostly made with stevia. It does have those few sugar alcohols in it, but it is erythritol, which doesn't mess up my blood sugar numbers at all. And I love this stuff, you guys. Like I said, it has the stevia in it, has pink salt, Himalayan salt in it. It has coconut powder in it. It has coconut flakes in it. It has walnuts, pecans, sunflower seeds. I love this stuff, you guys. It's so yummy. And a little bit and you're really, really satisfied. It satisfies your sweet tooth. So that's everything for today's video. I hope that you guys are all having a great week. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. And I think that's it. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.